afternoon. Hey, while waiting yes. Who's with me? Who's with me na? Marami ko klaro. Okay, wow, ang dami na. So please drop a comment. I cannot see your comment. Ayan. So may problema ang ano na ako. Wow. Hi! Great afternoon. Ayan. So we will just wait for others because we will showcase this afternoon the new startup pack of Mary Kay. So this is the new startup pack and we're gonna open this startup pack. Yan. And isa-isahin natin yung laman ng new startup pack. Walang lights. Okay, much better. Okay, so it's with me. So yung last Sunday I have a live video, so I promised to give this away, the new eye cream. So BCC Mother. So because this Sunday is the celebration of Mother's Day. So marami akong ira-raffle. Itong dalawang eye cream for the last video ko last Sunday. And also for this video, I'm gonna give you this new Mary Kay Botanical Effects moisturizing lotion. Dalawa din. Oh, I'm so generous today. Ayan. And not more, meron pa. So I'm giving away. Ayan, who's with me para marami masaya. So, ipauna talaga yung mga prizes and raffles para ma-encourage na manood. Mapilitan na manood. So, for my friends, ayan. So, sample lang ito ha. So, Mary Kay, binigyan ako ng Mary Kay ng 5 lipstick because of that certain challenge. So, syempre naman, aanhin ko yung mga lipstick na yan. So, ipamimigay ko din. Kasi Mother's Day, diba? So, we have to share our blessing. So, 5 lipstick binigay sa akin ng Mary Kay. So, ibibigay ko din lahat sa lahat na mag-view. Meron akong keyword sa lahat ng pwedeng maka-receive ng lipstick. 5 ha. So, abang-abang this is Mother's Day special. So, while celebrating, just give 1 hour para ma-witness yung raffle, grand raffle event. So, marami pa akong items na ipaparaffle. So, yung dalawa, ang live video ko, dalawang lucky winner for this time-wise, age minimized 3D. Ayan, dalawa ha. So, this is worth 1199. Ayan, so sinong swerte? So while waiting for the viewers, ayan, so wala pa namang 2. Okay, 2 p.m. na pala. And also, for this time, dalawang Botanical Effects Moisturizing Lotion and another 5 Mary Kay Liquid Matte Lipstick. Ayan, so i-raffle ko ito by Sunday during the Mother's Day celebration para masaya. See? So, All the mothers out there, kaway-kaway, kaway-kaway para maka-receive. Maka-receive. Or, if hindi ka naman mother, syempre may mama ka naman, may mother ka, ibigay mo sa mother mo. O, diba? Pwede din. Okay? Ayan. So for this Sunday, dalawang eye cream. Yung last Sunday ko na video. Tapos ngayon, this one, botanical lotion. This is worth $7.99. Okay? And the lipstick, liquid matte lipstick 5. This is my sample. So, syempre yung ibibigay ko, yung new talaga, from Mary Kay. Ayan, kasi binigyan ako ng 5, ibibigay ko rin sa mga viewers ko, mga avid viewers ko sa live video. So, we are 22 na. So, we're gonna start. But, may surprise, papremyo ba ako by Sunday because it's Mother's Day. So, keep tuned. Ayan, so ayan, excited na ba? Who's excited? Kaway-kaway. So, to win the raffle, please type in the comment box, I love the new SUP, SOP ng Mary Kay. So, I love SUP. What is that SUP means? Start Up Pack. Ayan. So, I love SUP. I love Mary Kay SUP. Para, ano lang siya, para maikli lang. So, when you type I love SUP, you will be included in my raffle. Okay? So, syempre, katuwaan lang para pa-inspire. This is the new startup pack ng Mary Kay. So, this is how I started my Mary Kay business. I start up with my Mary Kay with the startup kit. Kit yun siya kasi may, kasi last 13 years ago, I signed up as a beauty consultant and I paid 1975. 25 pesos na lang yung sukli ng 2,000 ko. Syempre, inipon ko yon para makastart ako ng Mary Kay. Medyo mahal. But ngayon, Mary Kay is offering you the new startup pack in a very affordable price. So, magkano yan siya? Hindi ko sasabihin. So, for those who's watching with me, please contact me or your independent beauty consultant with you for the price of their startup pack if you're really interested. And a surprise gift will be given to you by your beauty consultant or your sales director. So yung interested, after opening the startup packs, ayan. So, you can tag also your friends, ha? You can also tag your friends, your prospect, para makita talaga nila yung laman ng startup pack. Super nice talaga. This is really what I love kasi super handy. Tapos, super affordable. Hindi masakit sa bulsa. Ayan. So, to start a new business with this amount, hindi ka talaga mahirapan. So, are you excited with me opening the startup pack? So, in Mary Kay, you have to treat every person to be beautiful. Ayan. So, pagka-open ng startup pack, ayan, hey, beautiful. So, feeling me beautiful ka talaga. Diba? Ang saya. So, welcome to the sweet, rewarding world of Mary Kay. Your beautiful beginning starts here. Live out your dreams with a Mary Kay opportunity and have the power to choose your future. We love to see your business grow. Post about your Mary Kay journey on your social media channel. So this is what I am doing because I love Mary Kay. I am posting it in the social media. XOXO, kiss kiss, o diba? With your beauty in mind, Mary Kay Philippines. So, ayan. Yan yung greetings ng Mary Kay because Mary Kay company is over 56 years na in the market. Well, in fact, we are based in Dallas, Texas, USA. Mary Kay started last September 30, 1963 in Dallas, Texas. So, 56 years na worldwide. Okay? So, we are international. Hindi ito, bukot-bukot kung sa Bisaya pa. Pipitsuging business. This is worldwide business. And Mary Kay opened the doors here in the Philippines. Wow, very very um very exciting. It's because we are celebrating 20 years in the Philippines. So, Mary Kay arrived last May of 2000. So, this year is May 2020. So, we are celebrating 20 years in the market dito sa Philippines. So, for those na hindi pa alam yung Mary Kay, sino dito yung hindi pa alam yung Mary Kay? So, ask your beauty consultant, or you can ask me also about Mary Kay. So, this is the new one. So, syempre, yung sa Mary Kay, nagaiba-iba yung trend. So, maraming mga innovation. So, during this time, this is the startup pack na talagang super affordable price. Ayan. So we are 25. I'm so happy. So thank you, G. Shout out ko lang yung mga viewers. So please type I love Mary Kay SUP to be included in the raffle. So marami akong raffles guests, mga viewers. So I have the 2 moisturizing lotion with SPF ito, Botanicals, and 5 matte lipstick, liquid matte lipstick. This is worth $5.99. Ira-raffle ko by May 9 para Mother's Day, diba? Tamang-tama. So, this time, i-open natin ang startup pack. Ayan, yun yung message ng Mary Kay. Super nice. Hi, Ma'am Litz. I hope you're okay, Ma'am Litz. Let's just smile and take a deep breath. And this is the reality. Hi, May. Hi, Kim. Thank you for watching. So, for those who's watching, Ma'am Boneta, thank you for watching. Erica, Ma'am Esel, Ma'am Khalil. Hi, Ma'am Icha. Thank you for watching. Hi, Ate. Maria Victoria Aban. Grabe ka kompleto. Hi, Ma'am Doris. Hi, Ma'am Marina Cruz. Hi, Cha. Sino pa ito? Shout out. Hi, Ma'am May. Hi, Doc Mary. Hi, Ma'am Rose. Hello, Ma'am Rose. Thank you for the support. Akong kumare, si Ma'am Hidi. Hi, Ma'am Ella. Pretty Ella. Hi, Doc Sherwin. Hi, Ma'am Jessica. Hi, Kring Kring. Hello. Hi, Ma'am Geneva. Shout out ako ha. Hi, my friend, guapa. Take a deep breath. We are all in this together. Hi, Ma'am Felia. Hello. Hi, Sir Noel. So, the best, ni siya sa Davao, the best, ng mga event coordinator. And, hi, Ma'am Angie. Ma'am Angie, hello. See you soon. Ivy, Ma'am Mary Jane, Ma'am Veline. Ang dami natin. Yay, thank you. Ma'am Angel. Hi, Lloyd, my friend. How are you? I so miss you. Hi, Ma'am Luz Diminda Martel. Thank you for watching. Mama Bell, Mike. Ayan, thank you sa support. Hi, Ma'am Annie Rose. Shout out ako sa kuya ko. Nandiyan lang sa tabi-tabi. Thank you for watching. Hi, Ma'am Jane. Thank you for your orders, Ma'am Jane. Irish, thank you for your orders. Ayan, yan. Mga supporters ko. Family and friends. Hi, Kring. Ma'am Dayan Moreno. Hi, Ma'am. Hi, Mels. Ayan. Oo, live video na ta. So, thank you. Shout out yan sa mga mga supporters. Thank you for watching. I know you take your time to be with me. Okay. Ma'am Jerin Alpuerto. So, ito na. Tingnan na natin kung ano ang laman ng startup pack. Ang dami. Ang daming laman. Ito lahat yung laman. Tingnan. So, ang gawin natin, isa-isahin natin yung laman ng startup pack. So, ito palang message ng Mary Kay, nakaka-touch na, 'di ba? So, ang saya. Tapos ngayon, laman ng startup pack na Mary Kay. So please ha, to be included in the raffle, you have to type I love Mary Kay SUP, meaning startup pack. So we'll start first with this. This is the miracle set of Mary Kay, the samplers. We have 3 sampler set for you to enjoy and also for you to try the product as well. And the other 2, pwede mong ipamigay sa mga friends mo for them also to try the product. So this is the best seller ng Mary Kay, the miracle set, because it's 3D already, time-wise 3D miracle set. What do you mean by 3D? It's 3-dimensional, 3D, 3D. What it ano yung ibig sabihin? It really depends. It defends. Ano yung defense? Because may ano siya anti SPF 30. So it defends mga free radicals, and also it delays. What do you mean by delays? Syempre, miracle set, it delays aging. Ayan yung gusto natin. And also, may whitening component and brightening component din siya. Especially yung 4-in-1 cleanser, may brightening component siya. So, this is 4-in-1 cleanser. It cleanse, exfoliate, toned, and brighten the face after cleansing. After the day cream with SPF 30. And also, the night cream to be apply during the night. Super nice talaga yung night cream. It's so very luxurious cream. And the eye cream para sa mga mata. Para kahit walang tulog, hindi halata, walang tulog. Kasi naka-eye cream, diba? Ayan, kahit pagod, walang tulog, working mommy, maganda pa rin ang glow ng ating mga mata. Mapupungay na mata. So, this is the miracle set. And please ask your beauty consultant because this miracle set is on promotion this month. Ito yung nasa sakit ha. Tapos it can reach to 3 customers. Pwede mong ipamigay sa mga customers. Set na siya. Ayan. And what is more? Yan. Yay! I so love this. This is the charcoal mask. 6 pieces siya. 6 strips. Ayan. So, you can give this to your customers, to your prospect. Siguro naka-ECQ tayo or even ang iba naka-GCQ. Pero may mga times na makakalabas din ng bahay. So, ayan lang, pabigay-bigay sa gate. Ma'am, you try the charcoal mask. Ilalagay sa cellophane, yung sa zip na cellophane or any way. You can give this to your prospect customers. This is the charcoal mask. 6 ito lahat. So, it can reach to 6 person if you want to use the first first pack, it's okay. Ayan. So 6 na ito ha. The first one strip, this one strip, it will last for around siguro 2 weeks because this charcoal mask must be applied twice a week or every other 2 days only. So to allow our skin to rejuvenate itself para yung new skin ay ilalabas niya. Ayan. So this is 6 pieces of this. So it's really worth the price. It's so affordable price. And for this affordable price, you can have your own business. So compared before I started my Mary Kay business, inipunan ko pa yung price na ito, hindi na kailangan ipunan. So, I started 1,975. Tapos ngayon, super mura na lang siya. Very affordable. And also, your perfect foundation. Ito yung favorite talaga ng lahat. The foundation strip. Ayan. So, 6 siya. Pwede mong ipamigay sa mga friends mo or gamitin mo for your personal use. Very small amount. It can really make you flawless already because of this. What is this? Because of this foundation. So this foundation is 3D na rin siya. Ano gani yung 3D? It delays, it delivers, and it defends. So marami siya. And also it has telematch technology na yung color ng complexion mo babagay sa shade ng foundation. And also, we have this 12-hour protection na 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. nandyan pa rin yung foundation, hindi naaagnas. So, I so love this foundation kasi super pawis ako kanina. Super pawis, syempre, super init talaga. I hope COVID will go away na because of this super hot temperature. Super init, so pawis na pawis ako, tas nagsusumba kanina, so pawis na pawis. So, after I did my facial with Ate Ann, syempre, super marami ang pawis. Oh my God. Tingnan mo yung foundation ko, hindi naaagnas. Parang hindi siya magbi-build up because sweat resistant siya. So, this is the best foundation ever. So, this is the actual thing, the actual size of the foundation, and this is the only strip. Sampler siya just to try all the products, 'di ba? So, ayan. So, ano pang nandito sa startup pack? So, the thing that I really love in the startup pack, besides sa yung mga product samplers, this is what I want in this startup pack. This is my Mary Kay career path. So, I just want to share what happened with me 13 years ago, because I started Mary Kay 2007. So, magti 13 years na ako sa Mary Kay by August. Ito talaga yung yung Mary Kay career path, nilalagay ko sa unan ko, parang dinadasalan ko. Parang tinutulugan ko para magkakatotoo talaga ang mga dreams ko. Kasi this is really the path that you are going to take in the Mary Kay. Nakalatag lahat dito yung career path na susundin mo. Kahit hindi ka marunong magbasa or whatever, hindi high profile, o hindi ka nakagraduate ng college or high school lang, or even hindi ka marunong like that, you can even start Mary Kay. So, walang pinipili sa Mary Kay. Basta as long as you will follow the career path sa Mary Kay. So, ito yung dream ko. Ito yung gi-follow ko na career path. I started as a beauty consultant. I was promoted to become senior beauty consultant. Kasi nag-recruit ako ng isa. So, lahat dito nakalista. And also, all the trainings available in the company, libre siya. Libre, especially yung na COVID. The business is still usual. The trainings are online, digital. So, we can maximize all these things while at home, while being safe, 'di ba? So, safety is our highest priority during this time. So, talaga itong career path, sinubaybayan ko, gino-work out ko. And what is the best thing here in Mary Kay is, kahit wala kang kakilala ng mga politicians o hindi kilala yung pangalan mo, syempre, kasi it is what you do in Mary Kay. Kung ano yung pagod at saka yung hard work mo talaga, yung basihan dito sa Mary Kay pag mag-move up ka. So, I become senior beauty consultant. I enjoy the perks of being senior beauty consultant. Dito lahat, nakalista lahat. So, I still love this one. Mas maganda itong version kasi may color. May color coding. Yung old na talagang bit ko, walang color. Parang hindi siya sa mata. So, after I recruited one, nag-recruit ako ng 3. Kasi, marami ka naman kasi matagal ka na. No, it is not about when or where you started. It's all about your work, 'di ba? Kung anong gagawin mo after you started your Mary Kay business. So, I recruited 3, naging group leader ako, naging team leader ako, naging future sales director ako, naging director ako. So, talagang gi-follow ko ito talaga. So, this is and my inspiration to work more because of the career that I'm going to take. Lahat talaga dito. And lahat ng mga Mary Kay beauty consultant, yung dream talaga maging national sales director. So, that is all we are dreaming. Nakalagay din yan sa sa dito sa my career path. So, ang sarap kasi may nakalagay dito, my Mary Kay Dream Vision Board. Tapos sa likod, be a go-getter, give the world the best you have, and the best will come back to you. Super nice. So, for the new beauty consultant, kung basahin nyo ito, 'di ba? It is included in the startup pack. Your life will be changed because you will realize the big opportunity that Mary Kay is giving to your life. Gaya ko, I've experienced a lot in Mary Kay, so I've traveled around the world, o diba, bongga. Kasi around the world kasi, when I traveled to Dallas, parang siya may monitor sa eroplano. Talagang nilibot namin yung buong mundo from Philippines, dapat dito banda yung USA. Ang ginawa ng eroplano na sinakyan namin, nag-ikot pa kami sa Dubai. So like dito Dubai, then to US. Parang nilibot ko. Ang eroplano lang, nagsakay na ako sa eroplano. So 24 hours kaya 'yon. So parang nilibot ko talaga ang buong mundo. And that is because of Mary Kay. 'Di ba? So I enjoy all the perks, the travels. Yan. So lahat-lahat na because I really have this with me, the Mary Kay career path. So lahat talaga sinubaybayan ko, lahat talaga yung mga travels, lahat talaga. So speaking of travels, because COVID ngayon, so let's stay at home, let's stay safe. Don't worry, there's so much travels in Mary Kay. So pag wala na sa COVID, larga na tayo. Okay? Bongga. So na tayo. Let's travel the world now with Mary Kay. So maraming trips si Mary Kay, don't worry, marami pang darating na mga trips. Ayan. So I've got my car with this career path kasi sinunod ko talaga because in this section, yung sales director section, may nakalagay na car achiever. May libre pa lang car si Mary Kay. So ayun, hindi ko kinuha yung car, bumili ako with my Mary Kay cash compensation. So nagkaroon ako ng car as early as 30 years old. Ipag dumating yung car sa hospital, sabi pa ng isang kasamahan ko, naku si Kati, mapriso na. Ma-put in prison. Kasi syempre, alam mo naman yung sweldo ng casual nurse 1. Hindi talaga afford magbayad ng Montero monthly, diba? But possible yan sa Mary Kay. And 6 years na po yung sasakyan ko, hindi ako na piso, diba? Hindi ako nakulong. Ayan. Kasi si Mary Kay nagbabayad, hindi ako. And due also to my hard work. So, ito talaga yung, kung ikaw yung new beauty consultant, you have to put this Mary Kay career path, flyers or booklet, isa puso, tapos pwede higaan para always basa-basa. You read this every night before you sleep. Diba? Sarap ito, masarap. And also this pampering session, invitation also. Nandito rin ito sa sa startup pack. Ayan. Okay? Tapos ito yung beauty consultant agreement form. If you have your new recruits with you, pwede siya mag-fill up dito. So because COVID ngayon, hindi pwede maka-fill up kasi stay at home. So the company is very very understanding. Pwede na mag-register ka with your names, tapos kami na yung mag-fill up ng form. All you need to do is you submit the 3 specimen signature lang. So okay na, tapos ID, 3 specimen signature, tapos yung mga details. And also the Mary Kay date book. Ayan, so basahin ko kasi nakaka-inspire. Mary Kay, opportunity is what we create, beauty is what we sell, and hope is what we give back. Ayan, ang sarap, no? So, plan your way to success with Mary Kay. So, you open this one. So, nakalagay yan sa first page. Why you started your Mary Kay business? Because I have my dreams with me. So, what is your dream, by the way? So, you put that dreams in here, okay? So, my dream car really is Montero. So, I've got my dream car because of Mary Kay. O, diba? What is your dream? And maybe Mary Kay can help you, what? Fulfill your dreams and your dreams will come true. So, the reasons for achieving my dreams. What are the reasons for achieving my dreams? Sige daw. Why are you waking up early in the morning and working? Some family, your kids, whatever, pamangkin, 'di ba? Husband, lahat. So you can your reasons, the reasons why you want to achieve your dreams, not only of course for yourself, right? But also for the people around you. And also here, because this is a business, 'di ba? This is a business. So I joined Mary Kay. This is a business. So you are encouraged to at least have income because this is a business. So dapat kikita ka. Dapat kikita ka with this very affordable startup pack. So yan, you have your target income, first month, second month, and we also have that magic envelope with us sa Mary Kay. You can put on your income. It's a tangible income para malaman mo talaga na may income sa Mary Kay. And also the trainings that you will undergone, lahat ito nakalagay dito. Also, syempre, your weekly plan sheet. So, may weekly plan sheet ako. Every morning, tinitingnan ko para lahat ng plans ko in a day. Sobrang busy kahit COVID, kahit nasa bahay. So, you can have that one. So, I have 3 skincare classes this at kahit COVID, through Facebook chat or Zoom, whatever digital available in the social media. So, we can maximize that. Ayan. So, marami. Maybe you can play orders here, mga takeaway notes, mga reminders, also your contact list. Pwede mo malagay dito yung customer's number, list, ayan. Meron pa pala. Ayan. Ito, masaya. This is the Let's Begin, Mary Kay Let's Begin booklet. So, nilalagay dito yung mga income goals mo, yung percentage discount if you will be a Mary Kay beauty consultant, your career path, your training path, nakalagay dito. So, mas masaya ito talaga kasi may lahat na nakalagay. And also the discount, the sharing of products, yung mga best-selling products nandito rin. Yung mga discounts, personal discounts, and team building commission, may mga picture-picture. May bang hilig tayo sa picture para talaga ma-inspire. So, may mga picture-picture. And also the cash voucher. So, if you will register in Mary Kay with this very affordable price, you will able to have the 4 cash voucher sa startup pack. So, you can redeem the cash voucher once you ordered Mary Kay. So, dito talaga nakuha ko yung dreams ko. Ayan. So, this is the start of the new beginning. Okay? So, ito din, kasi syempre business. Dapat may profile ka sa mga customers mo so that you will know the type of the skin of your customers, yung complexion nila, yung gusto nila na products, yung na-order nila, para at least may guide ka. Siya pala, hindi pa naka-order ng foundation. Naka-order siya ng honey glue last month. 6 months ago, baka naubos na. So, ipa-follow up ko yung mga mga customers ko. Also, the order sheet. Ayan, this is the order sheet. Okay? So, please, type on the comment box, please, I love Mary Kay SUP or I love MKSOP para you can have this freebies. Ayan, freebies. Ito yung ipamimigay ko by Sunday. 5 lipstick and 2 botanical lotion, SPF 30 SPF 30, super init. So this is really perfect for you. And the 2 eye creams, it's worth 1199. It's time-wise. It's 3D miracle set, including the miracle set. So please type I love MKSUP. Ayan. And of course, because this is business, you have Mary Kay customer order form. So, dito, ilalagay mo yung mga orders ng customers mo. Tapos, may duplicate siya. O, diba, social, may duplicate. If ubus na, pwede maka-order sa Mary Kay. Ayan. Also, this brochure, this is our tool for our Meraki business. Dito yung mga price list, so the gross order, the gross price. And this is February to April. So, wala pang announcement as to the new brochure this May. Kasi COVID nga, parang hindi na ano ng mga, yung printing, siguro, 'di ba? Kasi lockdown, hindi nakakagawa, or yung naga-print nito. So, wala pang announcement as to the new updated brochure. So, meanwhile, kahit wala pang May, so, siguro i-extend natin ito. Anyway, same price lang man din. What is we are expecting to the new brochure is yung mga new products, yung ilalagay nila. Kasi if i-phase out na yung ibang sun protector, kasi we have a new sun protector coming out. So, this month. So, ayan. Okay? So, lahat-lahat na yon. And sa last na part, yung sa may box, sa dulo, your Meraki business in 4 easy steps, diba? You can use your cash voucher to purchase your Meraki products, and also love the products and share them with your family and friends. So, syempre, you use already the time-wise samplers, the charcoal mask. So, what you will do, share to your family and friends. Lahat ng kapamilya, kapuso, kaanak, you share it with Mary Kay. Share it with Mary Kay. Tapos, contact your beauty bestie. So, may beauty bestie ka ba? May best friend ka ba na mahilig din sa mga pampaganda? Lahat ng kapamilya, kapuso, i-contact mo na, please give me your love and support in my new Mary Kay venture. Ayan. And, lastly, share the rewarding Mary Kay business opportunity. So, it doesn't mean this time ka nag-register as a Meraki Beauty Consultant, di ka pwedeng mag-share ng Meraki opportunity. So, I'm so happy with my new people right now, the bravest of all, kasi yung mga nag-register sa COVID times, yun din sila yung pursigido na mag-recruit. Kasi they are so positive people na they can make it through with this very challenging time. So, clap ako. May applause to all of you who's here watching with me. I know, you know who you are, diba? Hindi ko na isa-isahin. Actually, hindi ko makita kung sino nag-view. So, I need your cooperation. If you're watching with me, please type in the comment box, I love MKSUP. Ayan. So, here. So, this is the startup pack that I really, the new startup pack of Mary Kay. This is the beginning of my journey. So, ang daming ganap ng buhay ko because of this startup pack. So, if you want to be mentored, if you want to become business partners with me, or if you're watching, please contact your beauty consultant para ma-help ka how to do the Meraki business. So, this time, pakita ko lang yung mga perks, ha? Perks of being a beauty consultant sa Meraki. Siyempre, matagal na ako sa Meraki. Siyempre, matagal na ako. All the trips, I really, parang kinuha ko talaga lahat. So, sa mga, these are the, parang, pabighani ng mga puso ninyo. So, if you will register this month, you have the chance to avail this Meraki bag. Oh, di ba super ganda? Super ganda ito. It's a premium Meraki bag. May Meraki na nakalagay. Actually, may ano na ito. May pangalan na kasi ibibigay ko. Nakapanalo sa raffle. Pasample ko lang. So, you will receive this one and my sling bag siya. So, if you are interested, you will have the chance to avail this Meraki premium bag. Ito po. Ano pa? Marami pa. If you will sign up, avail this startup pack, you contact your beauty consultant, the one who invited you sa Mary Kay, you will have the chance to have this one, the foundation. This is worth $879. This is for free lang. If you will have to talk your beauty consultant paano makuha ang free. Sinong free? Sinong gustong may free? 'Di ba? If it's free, it's for me. 'Di ba? Yan ang motto ninyo. Pag may free, grab talaga lahat ang free. Huwag sayangan ang free. So this is the foundation, ipamibigay din sa Mary Kay sa mga beauty consultant as well as yung mga old at saka new foundation. This is worth 879. And this is the blending sponge para madaling mag-blend yung foundation sa face ninyo. This is the blending sponge. Ayan. Ano pa ba? Meron pa? Ano pa? So, Mary Kay will give you 5 lipstick. Ayan. So, ito talaga yung 5 lipstick na ibibigay ng Mary Kay. Kasi syempre, beauty consultant ako sa Mary Kay. Mary Kay will give me 5 lipstick. So, ang gawin ko, ibibigay ko this Sunday. So, if you will be a Mary Kay beauty consultant, if you want, you're interested, may chance din kayo maka-receive ng 5 lipstick. Yung 5 lipstick na na-receive ko, because I'm a Mary Kay beauty consultant, existing beauty consultant, ipamimigay ko this Sunday. So, kung you are interested and become Mary Kay beauty consultant, so please, who's watching with me na hindi pa Mary Kay or Mary Kay beauty consultant, please tag your friends or your invites para you have the chance to have this 5 lipstick. Ayan, ang saya no, maraming free. Pwede ibigay, pwedeng ibenta, pwede lahat. Pwede gamitin. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. O, kompleto na. Meron pa akong surprise. Ayan. What's this one? Ayan, this is the perks of being a Mary Kay beauty consultant this month. If you want to avail the Mary Kay Startup Pack, so ask your beauty consultant or you can PM me if you're interested, if you're watching with me. So you can have this Mary Kay. May Mary Kay talaga ha. This is a Mary Kay premium item. Mary Kay cosmetic case. Feeling makeup artist ka. So you open this one. Charang! See? Ang ganda. Like that. Wow, mirror. Nakikita ko ang aking ito mirror ito. So naka-cellophane pa kasi hindi ko tinanggal. And this here, line siya with cellophane, parang plastic cellophane. Kasi para syempre may mga powders, foundation na para mga spill out. So hindi talaga mag puti-puti dito yung yung black kasi black siya, 'di ba? Maklaro yung mga powders, for example. So, may line, naka-line siya. Di ba ang saya? Super nice. Super. And also, pwede mo itong may siya, what do you call this? Ayan. Para mag-extend. Okay. Nag-extend na siya. Up and down. Up and down. Okay? So, here, you'll see. Okay? How you see? Tingnan nyo, ang sa loob ng cosmetic case. Ayan. Maraming paglagyan. Lipstick, powder, brush, pwede lahat. Ayan o. May siya, plastic siya. May plastic. Okay. See? So, these are just the few. These are just the few of the freebies for this month. If you are interested to become a Mary Kay beauty consultant. So, this Mary Kay is tested over the years, and you are really in a company with a big heart and a company that you can really, really trust your future and your family's future with you. Ayan. So, you want more? You want more? So, there's more. There's more in Mary Kay. So, you know that, you know the cell phone. So, I have cell phone here. Cellphone here, 'di ba? Parang yung effect ng selfie natin, super. I have no sample, but I can give you the private message the picture. So, yung mga effects sa cellphone na parang ang gaganda naman masyado, 'di ba? Kasi that is because of the lights. And may nagsasabi nga yung mga official photographers, hindi din sila lahat parang marunong, kabisado lahat ng mga yung pagkakuha. That the secret of the good pictures lies within lies the lights that supplies the photo. So pag marami kang lights, syempre magandang tingnan, 'di ba? Gandang tingnan lahat ng anggulo. So may ibibigay rin si Mary Kay na parang lead cellphone light so that it will help you parang enhance your beauty during selfies. Ang galing naman, 'di ba? So that these are the perks of being a beauty consultant this month. So if you're interested, you can tag your prospect, you can share my video para ma-excite sila sa mga freebies na makukuha, and you as a beauty consultant will explain to them yung mga sinasabi ko na free. Kasi bawal isabi kung paano makukuha if you're not a beauty consultant pa, so you're not interested. So if you're interested with this startup pack, this is very affordable. I tell you, hindi masakit sa bulsa pagkuha sa amount ng startup pack. It is really worth the price. And sobrang generous si Mary Kay na sobrang affordable ito. That will really let your future change, 'di ba? 360 degrees. So for those watching with me na hindi pa ako kilala, yung mga new friends na kaka-accept ko lang. So by the way, I'm Kathy and I'm a nurse by profession. So last year I resigned and focused Mary Kay because I'm so happy and I'm so enjoying with my Mary Kay business. Nakaka-enjoy kasi super nakakaganda, nakakawala ng stress, you have enough time for your family, 'di ba? Ang sarap. And ano yung yung light, lead light, cellphone lead light. So i-clip mo yan siya dito sa may camera banda, o para pag selfie mo, kuhang-kuha talaga yung angulo na gusto mong makuha sa face mo, o parang ganito ganyan, o 'di ba? So I'm having my vanity light mirror with me. So yung mukha ako parang ang ang liwanag because I'm facing seven lights with me. Oh, ayan. Yan yung effect pag may lights, maraming lights pag nagpi-picture ka. So who's excited with that? Oo. So yan yung mga perks makukuha mo if you will decide to, if you're excited and you are very excited with the startup pack. Ayan, and you can avail all those free. Lahat-lahat makukuha mo if you're willing to give, if you're willing to take the price. Ayan. So you will get all those free if you are willing to pay the price. Okay? So that is really ibibigay lahat. So syempre i-discuss yan ng recruiter mo or your beauty consultant mo, or even you can PM me if we are PM me directly about the business opportunity if you don't have beauty consultant yet. So sa mga friends ko dito who's watching with me, you can also have my personalized promotion. Yan. So oo. So thank you. So reminders, I will just have to remind everyone. Pa-remind lang ako. Remind ako ha. Please type I love Mary Kay SUP. Okay, malapit na tayong matapos. Ayan. I love Mary Kay SUP, and you have the chance to win. I-raffle ko this Sunday yung mga prizes. So ito lahat. Ayan. So we have 27 viewers. Thank you for being here, for watching my video. I'm so happy being with you this afternoon to share the new startup pack of Mary Kay. So ito yung i-raffle ko, eye cream dalawa. It's worth 1199. It's 1 to actually. Dalawa ito that my last video last Sunday. Tapos ito ngayon, ito yung i-raffle ko. This is worth 799. 799. Ito yung Botanical Effects Moisturizing with SPF 30. SPF 30. Super init ang panahon. Kailangan natin mag-SPF. And also, the 5 lipstick. Ayan. So, kaway-kaway sa gustong magkaroon ng new Mary Kay Liquid Matte Lipstick. Okay? So, the mechanics, please type on the comment box, I love MKSUP. So, So if really you're watching, if you are really watching my video, you will really know the mechanics. So abang-abang tayo this Mother's Day special because it's Mother's Day, ha. It's Mother's Day. Baka I'm so generous to all the mothers who's watching with me. So may additional pa ako na pa-raffle sa inyo. Or for those who's watching with me, alam ko may mga mothers kayo. O may sister na mothers, o 'di ba? Mga mothers na rin. So you can give them as a gift, 'di ba? And also for those who's watching with me na ayokong Kati, ayokong magbili ng ayoko ng startup pack. Gusto ko lang magbili ng Mary Kay sa'yo. It's okay. It's okay. I can give you a Mother's Day special promo. Okay, that you will enjoy. And also ang pagbibigyan mo mga mothers, mga aunts, 'di ba? Ma-happy sila if they can have one lipstick this Mother's Day. Okay? Kasi syempre Mary Kay, 'di ba? Tas ipangregalo mo. So just contact me or your beauty consultant for lipstick promotion bundles. Kasi bundles dapat maraming bilhin kasi maraming mothers na pagbibigyan. Contact me or your beauty consultant to avail all those promos. Ayan. Okay? Thank you for watching. So, kita-kita tayo by so we still have 3 minutes. Ayan. So, kita-kita tayo by Sunday for another key learnings about Mary Kay. And for those who's watching with me now, for those who's interested with the startup pack, so I will be giving a special promotion until May 15. You have a special gift from me, or even ask your recruiter or your sales director, for example, or your friend who's invited you with this live video, so that my special promotion is sa Mother's Day promotion. So you may contact your sales director or your beauty consultant if you have one. If you don't have one, just contact me. O, diba? Masaya. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. God bless us all. So just be positive. Stay at home, ha? It's better to stay safe. You have to stay at home, but still productive one because you are doing your Mary Kay business. Ayan. So, pindot lang ng cellphone. Post in your walls ng Mary Kay. Beauty consult, post in your walls your before and after photo. Ayan. And you can be productive in such way. May makakita sa post mo, mag-o-order sila kasi close yung malls. And it's so risky. Kahit may mga malls na like say open na, but it's so risky to go outside. With the number of new cases in COVID in the Philippines, it's not really safe to go outside pa. So be at home with Mary Kay, of course. And Mary Kay is open 24/7. Medyo may struggle lang because we are in Mindanao, delayed yung mga orders. So intay-intay lang, patience lang, and sure na walang COVID yung delivery of products sa Mary Kay. When you go to the malls or maraming tao, I'm pretty sure that you are not safe. You are not safe with your health. If lalabas ka, may bibili para ipangregalo sa mga mothers, for example this Mother's Day. So it's very safe for you to stay at home, order ka sa mga beauty consultant ng Mary Kay products para sa pangregalo. Okay? Wag na maglabas-labas. Okay? So we are 24/7 open. Okay? So thank you for watching. So if you're interested, please PM me or your beauty consultant or your sales director about the price of this new startup pack. Super affordable price. Super affordable price na hindi masakit sa bulsa pag kukunin mo yung pera pambayad sa startup pack na dahilan ng pagbabago ng buhay mo, 'di ba? And you will explore the world and you can have your dreams to come true in Meriki if you're just willing to open your mind to this Meriki opportunity which I did 13 years ago. O, 'di ba? So I'm not di ako tatagal dito sa Meriki ng 13 years pag hindi ako happy. Hindi ako happy, hindi happy yung family ko. Ayan. So, if you're interested, my friends, okay? So, this is, Meriki, tatak na yan. Renwa, my friend. Umalis na rin sa DOP si Renwa. Mag-Meriki na tayo, Renwa. So, this is the new startup pack. Very affordable, very handy. It really do change my life. It gives me the things that I want and the things that I need, of course. And also the dreams in my life. Binigay niya sa akin lahat ng Mary Kay. So if you want to fulfill, if you want to your dreams to do come true, huwag matulog para mag-dream. Trabahuin ang Mary Kay. And you can make all your dreams do come true and dream car, dream house, o diba? Mary Kay, afford na afford yan if you are really willing to pay the price. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing the video. And thank you for comment. So, talaga mag-end na ako. 2:55 na. So, I try to make my video less than an hour. So, para to wrap up, yan, this is my free botanical lotion with SPF 30 kasi super init talaga. I think 52 degrees daw yung temperature outside. My God, super init. So this is really perfect for the sun care. It's SPF 30. And yung video ko last Sunday, ito eye cream. Mga free ko lang ito sa Mary Kay and I want to share it to you kasi free. So raffle ko by Sunday ha. So ito 5 lipstick. Ayan, ito bigay din sa Mary Kay yung 5 lipstick. Ibibigay ko rin sa inyo. Syempre, sharing is caring, sharing is loving. Ayan, so thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for watching. So please, oh my God, this is the most number of viewers in my FB. We have 41 viewers. Umabot siya ng 45, naging 41. Okay? So free ito. And if I'm generous, I will be giving another free this Sunday. So next FB live will be Sunday kasi i-prepare ko yung mga spin the wheel and everything. Ayan, okay? Oo, so ito masaya ito kasi handy lang. Nice. So thank you for watching. Salamat sa suporta. Stay home, stay safe, okay? Then always be connected with Mary Kay. Ayan. God bless you and I'm sending you my warm virtual hugs and kisses. So please type please type I love MKSUP. SUP MK means Mary Kay or Mary Kay Startup Pack, Mary Kay SUP. Super affordable price. PM me if you are interested. Okay? Or you can PM your sales director or if you have beauty consultant with you, servicing beauty consultant. They have very good news for everyone because this is really affordable to start a business of your own. Di na sari-sari store 10,000 yung 'di ba kapital? My God, piso-piso lang yung mga yung kita. Ito super mura, super affordable that hindi mo talaga hihindian. So thank you, God bless you everyone. Thank you so much. It's 2:55 na. So we have our video success. Less than an hour video. God bless you everyone. Mama, thank you. God bless.